Folks, on 11.4, graphing hyperbolas. So it looks kind of like we're about to graph an ellipse, and then you go, oh wait, there's a minus sign there. Okay, so if one guy's plus and one guy's minus, one guy's positive, one guy's negative, that means hyperbola. These are fun to graph. Now hopefully you found last section, ellipse is easy. So this one's pretty similar, but a little bit more involved, but basically pretty easy. Okay, so you draw your little axes, square root of x stuff. So in the x direction, square root of 25 is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The y direction, square root of 9 is 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And instead of an ellipse, let's just draw sort of a rectangular thingy. Okay, this isn't really here. If you could draw it lightly or with a different color pen, it's just helping us set up for a picture. And then once you have your little rectangle thingy, you're going to draw the diagonals of the rectangle. So so you could go from corner to corner, but I'm not that good at drawing, so I'll go from the center here like that, like that. So this is really light. It's not even there. So this is not the picture. This is sort of like lightly written to help me graph the picture. Now, we're either going to get some kind of parabola-looking things on the sides or on top. So here's how I think about it. There's x squared stuff and there's y squared stuff. The positive stuff wins. So the x squared stuff is positive. The y squared stuff is negative. So the x squared stuff wins. So the picture is going to be in the x direction. Okay, so it's here and here. So touching the little rectangle, put a dot there, and then it sort of goes like that, and then goes like that. It's asymptotically approaching those diagonals. See how much fun this is? Touching the rectangle, asymptotically approaching the diagonals. And so what's in black is the beautiful picture known as a hyperbola. Okay, see how fun that was? 152. Y squared over 36 minus x squared over 16 equals 1. It needs to equal 1. Okay, good. Y squared stuff over that, x squared stuff over that. So notice we're used to x squared, then y squared. They put the y squared, then the x squared. Okay. So in the y direction, square root of 36 is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 each way. In the x direction, square root of 16 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I kind of use a different color pen, or I use a really light pencil. I make a rectangle thingy. So I'm going to draw a rectangle thing. Nice rectangle. Okay. And then the diagonals of the rectangle. See how much fun this is? Okay. Now, there's y squared stuff and x squared stuff. The positive stuff wins. So the positive stuff is the y squared. So in the y direction, so touching the rectangle and then asymptotically approaching the diagonals. Touching the rectangle, asymptotically approaching the diagonals. Ta-da! Easy peasy. So always make sure the right side is 1. So in like 153 or 155, whichever one you're doing. Oh no, so 153, the right side's 144. That means we have to divide everybody by 144. In 155, oh my god, the right side's 36. Okay, first step, divide everybody by 36. Oh, like we did with the ellipses? Yes, exactly like that. Okay, one more and we should be good. So let's move the hyperbola around the page. So 160 y minus 4 squared over 9. What the? I was doing 161. R x minus 2 squared over 4 minus y minus 3 squared over 16 equals 1. Did I write it down correctly? 160. X minus 2 squared over 4 minus y minus 3 squared over 16 equals 1. Okay. So first thing I do is I move sort of the axes. So it says x minus 2, so I go over 2. It says y minus 3, so I go up 3. Over 2, up 3, put a dot. Lightly dash some new axes. Now, In the x direction, square root of 4 is 2. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 1, 2. And in the y direction, square root of 16 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rectangle, 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 rectangle. Okay, diagonals of the rectangle, diagonals of the rectangle. Fun, fun, fun. Okay. And now there's x stuff, there's y stuff. The x stuff is positive, the y stuff is negative. So the x stuff is positive, so the x stuff wins. So in the x direction, touching the rectangle and then asymptotically approaching the diagonals. Touching the rectangle, asymptotically approaching the diagonals. And that's it. Okay, should be easy from there.